As you set the boat, so it will float. It is not about the Titanic. Today we will speak about such mystery creature database that stores all our data until they just stop. So grab your coffee, subscribe if you like to prevent the chaos, and let us dive in. Well, when the database crashes, the users see 500 error. They both may see red flag and the developer team unemployment flash before their eyes. But they are usual suspects that can take your database down, and what you can do to stop them before your page goes off at 3 a.m. in the night. First up, and this is a classic, your database decides it's hungry. It eats all your CPU, memory, disk I/O, everything. Well, what happened? Just a one row query or missing index, and your database starts to be fast and furious. How to prevent them? Limit connections and pull them properly. Also add query timeouts. If your query runs longer than your coffee break, cancel it. It's like not giving access to all your cookies. Otherwise, you will regret it later. Imagine two people in the grocery store saying, "No, you go first." "Oh no, you go first." The same happened also in the database. Deadlocks happen when two transactions block each other. How you can prevent this? For the first, keep the transactions short as possible, and also think about the nice ordering when the data are written in the database table. And if you have a long-term transactions, monitor this. Sometimes misconfiguration can happen. For example, memory, cache size, and some minutes later, boom, your database or boat goes slowly down. And how to prevent such disaster? Of course, test in the staging and make sure that your test environment has the same CPU, memory, all this capacity like on the prod environment. And much more better, make it proportional to the prod environment. For example, if you have 100,000 data on productive environment with the 50 gigabyte of the database, make sure that your test environment with the 50,000 data has much more less, or in that case, 25 gigabyte of the database. It's easy, isn't it? Did you ever see the message disk full? This one is brutal. Your database cannot write blocks, cannot write temporary files, cannot even breathe. And this because someone forgot to clean up 200 gigabytes of temporary blocks from 2019. How to prevent this? Don't store backups on the same drive as a database. Also set up disk monitoring alerts. And also in the bad case, and I can only advise you, make automatic cleanup every 3-6 months. And finally, one of the biggest database killer, all of them us. Just imagine one mistyped query delete from without giving where. It leads immediately your database down. No hackers are requested here. And how to prevent them? First of all, you need backups, tested backups. And also make it possible the role-based permission. Not everyone needs root, and everything will be fine. So keep your queries smart, your configs tight and backups tested. No databases crash out of spite. They only need sometimes more attention and fewer joins.